Hi everyone, it's Amanda here from Floor Blimey. I've come out with the technician today on a commercial job. Okay, so we're cleaning a commercial carpet for someone, just to sort of give you an idea of the amazing results that we can get and why Floor Blimey and the systems that we use are a little bit different to the other carpet cleaners out there. The kind of carpet that we're working with today is a carpet tile, okay? So if you can get a shot of that, it's a very tight weave, okay? There's not a lot of movement within that fibre, and you've got a solid impervious backing, okay? What this means is, in a nutshell, for any cleaning system, there's no airflow, okay? You can't use extraction, which is basically with a wand, forcing soap and water in and sucking it out. You need a better system than that, okay? I'll hand you over to the technician later, who'll tell you a bit more about the system as he's using it, but let's take some shots of the floor as it is and show you the kind of stuff that we're dealing with. What we've got here, you've got ink stains from printers, you've got coffee stains, I imagine, and you've got general wear and tear where people have been walking in and out. Hasn't been cleaned for 2 years, and these are the results from that. Okay, Adrian, what are you doing now?
I'm spraying the carpet now with an alkali-based cleaning solution so that I can then mix in with an acid on a white pad, which is basically the Texatherm system, using friction, heat, and the correct chemicals. We can clean a carpet very effectively, very fast, and it will be dry in 30 minutes.
We've done it now, and this is the best result, one of the best results we've ever had.
Yeah, I've got to be honest, it's one of the best.
This is brilliant, it looks amazing. So, check it out. Remember those awful black stains that were everywhere? It's gone. Absolutely gone. That looks like a stain, but it's not. That's just pile that needs to be brushed out again. It's amazing. Cracking result. Chuffed to bits. That's the Floor Blimey way.